Hi everyone. My name is Victor. At this point, we're trying to learn how to install Positron into your system. So first thing first, we have to visit, what's it called? GitHub, github.com. So wow, my spelling is with a capital letter. github.com/posit -dev/positron. Okay. So when we get to this stage, we scroll down to tags. Okay. Release tags. I'll click on this. Okay. So at this point, we scroll down. Okay. These are updated tags. Click on this. Okay. So at the same point, you will see positron. Positron in different. Hello? You see positron in different OS. We have .exe for Windows. We have .deb for Linux. We have .dmg for Mac. So I'm using a window. I'll click on this. Once I click on it to download, or if I'm using a Mac, I'll click on this. I've already have it installed, so I don't need to. Let me just click on it. Click on it. It's downloading. So, but I will need to stop it. So once you're done once you're done downloading, the next thing is to install. So after installing, this is what you see. You're gonna see this. Or let me make it more lively. Okay. Positron. This is what you see. Okay, thank you.